Hello everybody, your real estate expert Lance Moore, and I have the statistics in for the Tampa real estate market, and it's still just going off the hook. Things are really hot out there. Keep in mind when you're looking at these statistics, it is mainly pre-owned homes. Some of them are new homes, but new homes, a lot of them are not in the MLS, and this data is from the MLS. So keep that in mind. But what we have here is, if we're going down, we start off and we have the active homes for sale. And as you can see, it's going up a little bit, which is good. And we're starting to get into the spring. We're approaching the summer. So hopefully we'll start seeing more and more people put their homes in the market. The short sales, bank owns are still very low. We go into pending and active with contract. As you can see, those are up quite a bit. And if we go down, the real big shocker to me was solds. This is a huge jump from 1229 to 1603. Now, it's like I was saying in January and February that the market was really good. Surprisingly, January is slow, and in this year is very busy, and same with February, because keep in mind these statistics for sold usually lag about 30 to 45 days. So as you could see, the pending to active, 83% of the market. Wow, that's huge. And the supply and demand. Now keep in mind when people say, well, how good is the real estate market? Or are we in a good market? I get asked this all the time. How's the real estate market? What's going on? And to a lot of people, it really doesn't mean much, but supply and demand's everything. And some people call it, again, depletion rate. I mean, there's a lot of different terms for it, but this is really how good the market is. And a stable market, not really buyers, not really sellers, is about 6 months of inventory. We're down back where we were in 2004, 2005, when it was just absolutely going crazy. So it is still a complete seller's market. Now, with that said, the appraisers still have to do appraisals on the home. So in right now, it's for sellers. If you're a seller, it's very, very important to you to get really selective on who you hire to handle your transaction for you, what real estate agent you pick, because they're going to have to meet the appraiser at the home. They're going to have to go over stuff with the appraiser and be very aggressive on it, because the buyer could agree to pay the price. Maybe they're in a multiple bid situation, but it's still going to have to appraise. And as a buyer, it's good to understand what type of market you're in. So let's go over individually, and you could see where we are in March right here. So if you come down here and look at the different price ranges, so you could see the inventory right here, 2.57 months of inventory. But look at this. This is just off the hook. If you're looking at a $150,000 home, I mean, if it's a nice home in a nice area and, it's fair priced, you're going to be competing most likely with a lot of buyers. Now, if you're looking at getting bond money or down payment assistance or need help with closing costs, understand it could be harder because you're just in a market where it's very, very, very competitive. So it's good to know this stuff up front. Even 200 to 300,000, still very, very low. And as you go up, all the supply and demand is very low across the board. So this is going to give you a good idea. You need to see where you fit. Again, this is only single family homes. It's in Hillsborough County. Now, if you're in areas like Wesley Chapel, Landale Lakes, parts of Trinity, it's going to probably be a little bit more conducive to what's going on in Hillsborough County, because a lot of areas of Pasco, certainly like Hudson and Newport Richey and some other areas, even areas of Zephyr Hills, tend to move very slow compared to Hillsborough County. So this will give you a good idea, and I hope you like this. If you have any questions at all, anything you want to ask me, anything you want to say about this video, please write a comment. I'd love to answer any of your questions, or you could contact me directly. If you like these videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, if I could help you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you the best of luck with your home buying experience. Goodbye.